Hey designers, today I'm going to show you what's the easiest way to use Unreal Engine with your Claw designs. First, you need to have your outfit ready from Claw. Second, we need to install the sync plugin in Unreal. This way we can transfer your outfit from Claw to Unreal in just a few seconds. You know, when I started using Claw and I have had this like rendering done, I thought, oh my gosh, it cannot go any better than this. But I was wrong when I started using Unreal Engine, especially 5.6 for my projects. First step is in Claw. This is my outfit. This is the back and the front, and I think it looks pretty awesome as it is. But I would like to import it into Unreal and add its magic, and it will look so much better. This outfit has an animation. So if you go to Animation tab, here, this is my animation, just the wind part. Before we start going into Unreal, just make sure you keep your Claw window open and you go to Materials UV Editor, and keep all your patterns in one tile like this. If they're not in one tile, you can select all of them, click right, and fit UV to 0 to 1. This is the first step. Now we go into Unreal. Go to epicgames.com. You will log into Unreal Engine. Once you download everything, once you have your Epic Games account, once you download Unreal Engine, you can download your Unreal Engine 5.6. And from here, you can select a project. I already have my project started here, so if not, you can just go here and go to blank and create. Now I have both my Unreal Engine and Claw open. We will need to check if we have the right plugin. So we go to Edit, Plugin, and here I'm gonna look for Sync. This has to be selected, Claw Marvelous Designer Live Sync. And then also the Substance one have to be Substance in UA. E5, you must restart Unreal Editor. Okay, restart. Every time you open Unreal, you have to make sure you have these plugins installed to be able to transfer easily your Claw designs from Claw software to Unreal Engine. We close the plugins because they're installed, and we go here to selection mode. So click on Claw MD. By the way, this is both for Claw 3D and Marvelous Designer. So you will find that sometimes these settings will change and differ from project to project, depending on the materials as well. For this project, I have here mesh material, garment include garment. I put single object because I do have a lot of patterns, thin, cache animation because I do have an animation, and include avatar, and I did opacity masks. Sometimes you can do translucent, sometimes you can do opacity mask. I did find this time that I did not have the proper maps imported when I used translucent. So in this case, I use opacity mask. So now you'd click update. Okay, make sure to turn off simulation in Claw. I don't have any simulation going on. Make sure to be in UV editor. So I do have UVs open and no animation is being recorded. Okay, I'm good with all that. And now we will wait. As you can see here, it's updating. Sometimes it depends here. It might take a while until it's imported. But if you quickly look at Claw, it's starting to export all the files and transfer them to Unreal. Okay, now let's check. My garment is right here. We have the avatar, and then here the location, we can copy it so we can put them both at 0, 0, 0. Now I'm going to show you how you can open your sequencer to view your animation. So you go right here, add level sequence, new level sequence, save, and a window will pop up. From here, you can either get it from your content, your avatar and garment, or from the outliner if you have it open. My avatar, I'm going to drop it in here, and the garment, I will drop it in here as well. I'll click the plus button and get the geometry cache. So you see the wind is waving just like this. So for this animation, I only have the wind part, so I don't have to worry about the avatar. I would also like to show you how you can get environment to add to your scene. So you basically go to Fab on this button, and it takes a while to upload, and then you can make your window bigger. You can go to price and select free. And now it only shows you the free environment or asset. Mine was selected from here. So you basically click on the one that you like. and you can either add to project and view in library or download. In this case, I was able to just add to project. So once you add it to project, if you go back to your project Unreal. Okay, so I have import my seat. Now let's see. I have my environment, I have my garment, my level sequence. Go to camera, this window is gonna pop out and you have Cine Camera Actor. I basically click on it and then you can add keyframes. I go to transform, click on the keyframe and you will see a little dot here will appear, which means I'm in this location from this far away. I can move a few frames and then go closer. And then again in the transform, click again and another keyframe is set up. So basically it goes from here to here. If you go forward, I can have another keyframe here. This is basically the end result. And now I would select here film back 16:9 DSLR. And for the focus, you can use this manual focus distance. And for example, at this keyframe here, you can select the focus to be here and then it highlights it. And then you can put a keyframe on the focus as well. Okay, the final rendering, let's see it. This is it. Let me know what you think. If you have questions, don't hesitate to email me.